Imagine you're about to embark on a cosmic journey. A thrilling adventure into the unknown, where the rewards are potentially astronomical. But, before you blast off, you need to know, is your spaceship trustworthy? Is it safe? Is it going to get you to your destination? Today, we're talking about Spaceship Money, a financial platform that promises to take your investments to new heights. But is it really the spaceship you want to board? Let's dive into the details, the pros, the cons, and everything you need to know before you invest your hard-earned cash. What is Spaceship Money? Spaceship Money is a unique investment platform that simplifies investing. It offers a variety of funds, each with a specific investment strategy. This platform is designed to cater to both novice and seasoned investors, providing a user-friendly interface and automated investment strategies. The pros of Spaceship Money. Simplified investing. Spaceship Money takes the complexity out of investing, making it accessible to everyone. Diverse investment options. The platform offers a variety of funds, allowing you to diversify your portfolio. Automated investing. Set it and forget it. Spaceship's automated investment strategies take the guesswork out of investing. Ethical investing. Spaceship offers ethical investment options, allowing you to invest in companies that align with your values. The cons of Spaceship Money. Fees. Like any investment platform, Spaceship Money charges fees. It's essential to understand these fees and how they might impact your returns. Market risk. Investing, regardless of the platform, involves risk. Market fluctuations can impact your investment returns. Limited control. While Spaceship offers automated investing, it also limits your control over your investments. Can you trust Spaceship Money? The short answer is, it depends. Spaceship Money is a legitimate platform with a strong track record. However, like any investment, it's essential to do your own research. Here are some factors to consider before investing. Your financial goals. Does Spaceship Money align with your long-term financial goals? Your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with the level of risk associated with the platform's investment strategies? Your investment knowledge. Do you understand the basics of investing, or do you prefer a hands-off approach? Tips for safe investing with Spaceship Money. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different funds to minimize risk. Set realistic expectations. Investing takes time. Don't expect overnight riches. Monitor your investments. Keep an eye on your portfolio and make adjustments as needed. Stay informed. Stay up to date on market trends and economic news. Spaceship Money can be a valuable tool for investors of all levels. However, it's essential to approach it with a clear understanding of its benefits, limitations, and associated risks. By doing your research and making informed decisions, you can increase your chances of achieving your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.